so much for being here and watching. Today I received my Ipsy Ultimate box for February. Still can't believe it's February. So today we'll be doing an unboxing, and then I will also try on any items that I can that come in the box. So I will leave a timestamp down below if you want to jump around or just see the try on portion. If you don't know what Ipsy is, it is a beauty subscription, and Ipsy Ultimate is their most expensive subscription option. So they have the regular Ipsy Glam Bag, which is $12 a month. Then they have the Ipsy Glam Bag Plus, which is $25 a month, and then this Ipsy Ultimate is $50. So it's a lot of money, and some months haven't been the best, so we'll see how this month goes. I will leave Ipsy's link down below if you're not yet subscribed and want to. I'll also link down below any active giveaways I have going on. I know there's one right now that I can think of on the top of my head. I don't know, we have a lot of giveaways on this channel, so I'll leave that down below if you have not yet entered. Anyways, this is what the box looks like. It's pretty big, so let's get this open and see what's inside. So when you open it up, this is what it looks like. It says Discover Yourself, and then all of the items are underneath this orange foam packing material. Let's see if they have a handout. So lately I have not been getting any information on the products that come inside my box, and some of you guys have commented that your card does list your items, but this one doesn't. It says, Ipsy, feel the love, the warm fuzzy feeling you get from being in love. Feel it every day in the littlest of things, from pampering your skin with a multi-step routine to savoring your morning coffee. Every moment is an opportunity to show yourself how much you love you. And then this is what it looks like on the inside, so it's no product descriptions at all. But it says, will you be our Valentine? Hey you, wow, you look great today. That shade is perfect on you. We wanted to let you know that you're doing a killer job. We get that life isn't always easy and liquid eyeliner is so hard, but you've totally got this. And just in case you needed to hear it, we love you very much. So give yourself a big hug and let's keep in touch, okay? Talk to you later, XOXO Ipsy. Like, that's sweet, but I would like to have information on my items. I know you can just go on the app on your phone, so I'll have that here to reference throughout the unboxing, because it does have like pricing information, which I found out last month. I thought they didn't provide that on their website, but they do. In each of the Ipsy bags, or boxes, you actually do get like a makeup bag, and this is it this month. This is cute. It's like this pink velvet. On the inside, it has the Ipsy logo. So there is like an inner pocket in there. It's not zippered. I don't know if you guys can see that. I do like it. I like the colors. It's like pink and maroon. It feels nice, so that's nice. We get a good bag. And then the first item that was on top looks like this is, oh, okay. This is a charcoal blackhead clear 3-step nose pack. I got something similar to this in a different box recently. I haven't tried it out yet, but it says step 1, pore opening sheet. Step 2, blackheads out sheet. Step 3, pore tightening and soothing sheet. And this is by Nature, I think is how you pronounce it. So it's a 3-step system to help with blackheads. I actually do have a lot of blackheads. I was saying that like super recently in a video. So I definitely will try this. One of something weird, I don't see this on my list of items for my Glam Bag Ultimate, so I don't know what that means, if what's on the app isn't accurate, but I'm not mad about this, so let's move on to the next item. This is something I've actually had in the past. I think like 2 years ago, 3 years ago, we got this in a different subscription box. I'm just assuming because pretty much everything I have comes from subscription boxes, but I remember really liking this. So this is a hand cream, and it has really pretty packaging. What is it, like by Tokyo Milk? Yeah, Tokyo Milk, Neptune and the Mermaid hand cream. So nice packaging. Or I got it as a gift, because I feel like this would make a really nice gift because it's so cute. But this is what it looks like. Very cute, matches the outer packaging. Honestly, I feel like we get a lot of hand creams and like moisturizers and stuff like that in boxes lately, but it is the season of dry skin, so let's see how much this costs. Oh, so this is $22. This is some bougie hand cream right here. Let's just try a little on. I seriously have hand creams all over my house right now, so I don't really need to open this, but I remember liking the scent. Yeah, it does smell really good. So, yeah. We got some bougie hand cream. Let's move on to the next item. We have some brushes. Oh man, you guys, last night I cleaned every single one of my brushes. I need to do a brush declutter because I swear there was over 100. But we may be trying these today because I just checked and they're all still wet. So this is by a company I don't think I know, Shayna B. Miami. It looks like we have a 5-piece eye brush set. What? It says this is valued at $60, a set of 5 brushes. And this company I've never heard of, but we will put these to the test because you can probably tell I do not have much makeup on, so we'll use those soon. I'll show you them as we go through. I don't think it really says much. It looks like we have like some shader brushes, also some blending tapered brushes, so we'll see how that goes. Next up, this is by Playa, the new Day Mist 3-in-1 Style Refresh. It says it smooths creases and restores style. It's made with neroli water and sugarcane extract. So this is for your face or your hair? So this is for your hair. It says your ultimate style saver. This fine mist works to calm unruly strands and reset your style without water or hot tools. Perfect for removing dents from hair ties or creases while sleeping while keeping your blowout intact. Oh, this is cool because I pull out my hair a lot, like when I'm doing my makeup and stuff like that. So this could come in handy if it helps with that. Let's see how much this costs. I feel like I've heard of this brand recently, Playa. So this is $24. Next up we have something by Grace and Stella. It says this rose ain't thorny rose roller. This is a rose quartz facial massager. I am not going to open this because I already have several facial rollers that I must admit I never use, even though I should, because I do have puffiness under my eyes especially and my face in general. But this will be going into a future giveaway, and this has a retail value of $29. And I will just show you a picture here if you could see. You probably can't, but facial rollers have been like in a lot of boxes lately. So yeah, this will be going in a future giveaway. You know, I'm starting to think that maybe I added this like blackhead thing as an add-on, because this is definitely an add-on I decided to put in. There was an Oprah highlight in the store. So like when I say store, like when you review your products you get each month, you earn points and you can redeem those points for products, and this was one of the options. I think it's an Oprah highlight I don't already have. And this is in Moonlighter Moon Dance. This was the Oprah and Madison Miller collab. And I don't know if I am going to swatch it because I might put this in a giveaway as well. But yeah, that was not part of the actual box. That was an add-on. I think these are part of the box. So we got 3 sheet masks. They're by Sweet Chef. So we have the Sweet Chef Kale and Vitamin B Fresh Pressed Sheet Mask. The Ginger and Vitamin C one. This is supposed to brighten dark spots and uneven tone. And the Beet and Vitamin A Fresh Pressed Sheet Mask, which is supposed to refine pores and smooth rough skin. So it says the retail value for these masks is $10.50. I feel like I'm so overloaded on masks, and the next item is a mask as well. I feel like we're getting them every single month, like similar products inside our boxes. If you guys feel that way, let me know. But this is the Feel Harmony Rose Petal Facial Mask with Ultra Concentrated Toning Gel. So it says to cleanse your face with warm water, apply the mask to your dry face and leave on for 10 minutes. I feel like I got a sample size of this before in the past, like it was like in a little squeezy bag. I'm pretty sure it was the same one, or it was a different brand and also called like the Rose Petal Facial Mask. So yeah, I don't get excited about masks anymore. I feel like we get them every month, but I don't know. I feel like this is really like first world problems. I wish they gave a sheet with the information because it's kind of annoying having to look on their website because it's being so slow. What? They say the full size is $55, and I believe this is the full size of the mask. That's expensive. Alright, next it looks like we have a deluxe size sample. So in the Ultimate you get like 8 full size products and like 3 or 4 deluxe size, I believe they say. This is the Skylar Hydrating Body Lotion with hyaluronic acid in Capri. So it's supposed to be like a sparkling citrus and sweet scent. So we got a body lotion and a hand cream. I'm not sure if I will keep this or put this in a giveaway. And we got another hydrating thing. We have the Yvette Water Flash Coconut Water Cream Hydration Boosting. So I'm not going to look up the pricing for these ones. Usually they don't have the prices for the deluxe size stuff, but this is for your face, I think. So yeah, that's another reason why it would be nice to have a handout. We'd have more information. But it says, after applying the essence, gently apply an appropriate amount to the skin along the skin's texture and pat your skin to enhance absorption. So yeah, I'm pretty sure this is a facial moisturizer. So we got a hand lotion, body lotion, and a face lotion. And then we even have a little cleanser here. This is small. When you look on their the app, it makes it seem like you're getting full size of everything. But this is by Khaleesi Better Bean Clean Face Coffee Cleanser. So it's like an exfoliating cleanser. So again, that might be going in a future giveaway. And the next item, I knew this was coming, and I swear, we have gotten lip balm in the past few Ipsys. I feel like they're sending a repeat of a lot of the items, but this is the Polar Love, I don't know, it looks like it's in French, but the Genuine Lapland Cream Lip Balm. So I'm sure this is actually a full-size lip balm. Again, I got a lip product last month and the month before, so it's not super exciting. It might have been in my Ipsy Plus though, but still, like, it's all on the same profile, so yeah, not too excited about that. But the last two items in here are makeup, and one of them is what I chose. Well, let's start with the one that I did not pick. This is a lipstick. This is the Matte Manipulation Fully Fired Cream Matte Lipstick in Sunset Boulevard. I don't think I have heard of this brand before. So yeah, definitely a very skincare heavy box yet again. So this is what the tube looks like. Oh, this is pretty. I was thinking it'd be like red for some reason. It's more like a mauve pink, but let's swatch. Oh yeah, I like that. I think that's really pretty. So we'll be trying that today. Let's see how much this costs. Yeah, the app just stopped working on me. It's like stuck, so we're just gonna stop looking at the prices. If I find it and think it's relevant, I'll put it on the screen here. But this actually seems really pretty, so we'll try that in a moment. But the last item in the box, this is the one I chose. So for each of the Ipsy subscriptions, you get the option to customize one item. And I chose the Makeup Geek Champagne and Rose palette. So Makeup Geek recently rebranded, so I'm not surprised to see more of their products in subscription boxes. They're probably trying to get rid of them because now they have the new rebrand. I don't really know exactly what it is. I think it's, now they just have new, like, more singles that are square shaped. They used to be circle, I don't know. But I think this looks like totally my kind of color scheme. Like, I'm sure I have a lot of these colors already. Oh, there's some tape closing this, let me get it. I kind of like how you could see the shades through the top, so there's definitely not a mirror in there that I'm assuming, if I can get this. So there are the colors up close. Let me swatch a color. So it looks like we've got 3 shimmers and 4 mattes here. I have tried a Makeup Geek single in the past, but I haven't tried much of their stuff, so I am excited to get it in here. Oh yeah, these are totally my type of shades. I'm really into pinks lately. They didn't swatch like amazing, but we will try it on our eyes. So I like the names of them too. Bubbly, Champagne, Rosé, Wine Barrel, Merlot, Sangria, Berries, and Sweet Cream. So yeah, that was everything that came in the box. So now let's try, I mean, I guess we're only going to be trying the palette, the brushes, and the lipstick. I almost forgot that we got the brushes. Oh, I'm looking kind of rough. I did my like base makeup hours ago in prep for this video, and then I got distracted doing some things. But yeah, so let's get started. I have the brushes here. They seem okay. We'll see how they perform on the eyes. Hopefully good. So I do have like some concealer on my eyes, but I'm going to set it with this shade Sweet Cream. It looks like it's a good shade for that. And I will... Yeah, these brushes, oh they do, this says blending on it, so they do say stuff on it. They say eye crease, they actually tell you what they're for, so that's good for beginners. So I can just show you that there. I'm just going to use the blending brush to put this light shade all over my lid. Uh-oh. Oh my god, you guys, I forgot I had shadow on my fingers and I just wiped it on my eye. Oh, rookie mistake. And now for my crease or transition color, I'm going to use that light pink rosé. Do you guys know what the Makeup Geek rebrand? Did they change their formula? Because this seems to be blending out just fine right now. I'm not too familiar with the brand, I guess. I just realized I must have touched my forehead with the swatches too. I'm such a mess. I should not be allowed to film at 4 p.m. It's like my brain's already gone. I'm going to deepen up the outer corner with that shade Berries, and I'm going to use the eye crease brush for that, I guess. We'll change brushes if I feel like we need it. It's so weird this is see-through. I keep wanting to look at a mirror. Wow, that's really pigmented. And then I think I'm just going to put this shimmer shade Champagne on the lid. And I will use the shadow brush. I really like that shade, and I feel like the shades are going really well together. So I'm going to use their smudge brush. What is the brand called again? Shayna B. And I'm going to go on my lower lash line with Rosé, and then I might put a little bit of the Berries on the outer corner. This is pretty stiff. Oh, and I can see there's a little fallout. Yeah, I can't. This brush I think is a little stiff for under my eyes. I don't like how it feels. And I'm just going to put a teeny bit of that shimmer bubbly on the inner corner. I didn't think any of these brushes would work well for that, and a lot of my brushes are wet like I was saying, but I have this like little one here from Luxie. I don't know if I've ever used. Overall, I'm really liking how this eyeshadow looks and how the colors go together, and I'm excited to use it some more. Hopefully it's translating well on camera. At least the mirror that's like right in front of me, it looks pretty good. But I'm gonna hop off camera and put on some like liner and mascara, and then let's try on the lipstick and wrap this video up. Okay, eyes are done. I am liking how they're looking. Now let's try the lipstick. I feel like it actually does coordinate well with the palette they sent, so that's cool. I do think the lipstick shade is pretty. I had some balm on before. I should have probably taken off. But yeah, I think it's a pretty color. Alright, so overall, I think this was an okay box. I really wish Ipsy would feature more makeup than skincare. I feel like the last few months, or maybe like every month of the Ultimate's been very skincare heavy, and like, don't get me wrong, I love some skincare, but Ipsy really started out as like a makeup subscription. I know beauty, skincare falls into those lines, but I would have liked to get more makeup items personally. So yeah, this isn't the worst box ever, but it's not the best. Like, I really don't need any more creams of any sort, because I'm sure they sent me a whole set last month as well. But yeah, the standouts for me, definitely the palette. I can't wait to use that some more. The brushes seemed okay. And I'm excited to try out this hair product, actually. Normally I don't get excited about hair products, but the sound of it, if it like helps, you know, with creasing and stuff, getting that out, I'm just like curious if that actually works, so I'm excited to try that out later. I can. After I do this video, my hair is pretty gross. I'm on like day 3 here, so we'll see how it works. I'll do a little test, I'll let you guys know, but you guys have to let me know your thoughts down below, what you think of Ipsy. Have you been getting freaking lip balm in every box like I have? I don't know. Anyways, thank you guys so much for being here and unboxing and trying these products on with me. I love you so much, and I will see you in my next video. Bye guys!